Imagine a wheelchair that feels less like traditional mobility equipment and more like a next-generation electric vehicle. In 2027, electric wheelchairs are becoming lighter, smarter, more portable, and increasingly capable of handling different environments. From ultralight folding designs and advanced carbon fiber frames to intelligent mobility systems and all-terrain power chairs, the latest generation is pushing personal mobility in exciting new directions. Newer models are also bringing features such as smartphone connectivity, remote controls, advanced suspension, and highly maneuverable drive systems. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best electric wheelchairs for 2027. And some of these machines look nothing like the wheelchairs of the past. WHILL Model C Lite. The WHILL Model C Lite is a premium folding electric wheelchair focused on portability, comfort, and easy maneuverability. Its molded carbon fiber frame weighs just 17 kilograms, 37.5 pounds, while the one-hand folding design makes it easier to store and transport. Patented Omni wheels provide precise turning, and advanced suspension helps create a smoother ride over everyday surfaces. It can reach up to 4 miles per hour, with a reported range of up to 13.7 miles, depending on configuration and conditions. The chair also offers smartphone connectivity and a 253.5-pound carrying capacity. Current UK pricing starts around £3,995 before VAT, while European retailers list it around €3,328, including VAT. XSTO X12 Pro. The XSTO X12 Pro is a futuristic all-terrain electric mobility robot designed to tackle stairs, curbs, gravel, slopes, and uneven ground. Its hybrid wheel and track system can switch between wheeled and tracked modes, while AI-assisted control uses LiDAR and sensor fusion to help maintain stability. The X12 Pro supports up to 136 kilograms, reaches 12 kilometers per hour, 7.5 miles per hour, and offers up to 35 kilometers, 21.7 miles, of flat ground range. It can climb tracked slopes up to 40 degrees and clear obstacles up to 220 millimeters at the rear. The electric leg rest, 360-degree auto-leveling seat, reclining system, and foldable frame add comfort and practicality. The listed price is $28,000. Robooter E60GT Pro. The Robooter E60GT Pro is a rugged all-terrain electric wheelchair designed for users who want more freedom outdoors. It features dual 250-watt brushless motors, 12-inch omnidirectional front wheels, spring suspension, and an integrated control system for smoother handling across grass, gravel, and uneven paths. The chair can carry up to 330 pounds, climb obstacles up to 3.1 inches, and reach up to 6.2 miles per hour in enhanced mode. Its 20 ampere-hour battery offers up to 14.3 miles, while the 25 ampere-hour option can reach about 18.6 miles. USB charging, front lighting, cruise control, and beginner mode add practicality. Price: Robooter currently lists the E60GT Pro as "Get in touch," so no official public USD price is available. Robooter C40. The Robooter C40 is a compact 3-in-1 electric wheelchair designed for everyday indoor and travel use. Its upright folding frame weighs just 19.4 kilograms, 42.7 pounds, without the battery, and folds to only 12.6 by 22.6 by 32.3 inches, making storage and transportation easy. It combines electric driving, manual use, and power assist pushing, while AI-assisted safety features can automatically reduce speed and help prevent rollovers during turns. The C40 reaches 3.7 miles per hour, carries up to 265 pounds, and offers up to 12.4 miles of range with a 12 ampere-hour battery. It also includes app remote control, cruise control, Type-C charging, front lighting, and a 31.1-inch turning radius. Price: Robooter currently lists it as "Get in touch," with no public official USD price. Forcemech Ultralite G20 PRO. The Forcemech Ultralite G20 PRO is a premium folding electric wheelchair built around a 100% carbon fiber monocoque frame. Weighing only 25 pounds without the battery, it supports up to 300 pounds while folding to a compact 29 by 10 by 28 inches for easier car and travel storage. The chair reaches up to 4.5 miles per hour, offers approximately 12 miles of range, and has a 28-inch turning radius. Features include integrated side and rear LED lighting, ergonomic seating, all directional controls, automatic braking, Type-C charging, and an FAA-compliant 12.5 ampere-hour lithium battery. The MSRP is $4,500, while Forcemech currently lists it at $3,199. It is marketed as a 2026 model. Jazzy Carbon 27X. The Jazzy Carbon 27X is a lightweight folding electric wheelchair designed for easy travel and everyday mobility. Its durable carbon fiber X-frame folds vertically into a compact package, while the base weighs only 27.5 pounds without the battery. It supports up to 275 pounds, reaches 3.7 miles per hour, and provides up to 8 miles of range on the standard battery. Other features include full front suspension, regenerative and electromechanical braking, adjustable footrests, a programmable quick disconnect joystick, and an airline-compliant 10 ampere-hour lithium battery. Its folded dimensions are just 34 by 12 by 30 inches. Pride Mobility lists the MSRP at $4,300, although retailers currently advertise it around $3,100. Quantum Edge 4. The Quantum Edge 4 is an advanced rehab power wheelchair designed for stability, comfort, and highly customizable mobility. Its mid-wheel drive platform provides a tight turning radius, while advanced suspension helps maintain a smooth, stable ride over uneven surfaces. The chair can be configured with power tilt, recline, elevating leg rests, and seat elevation, depending on the selected seating system. Quantum's Q-Logic 3 electronics provide sophisticated control options and Bluetooth connectivity, while available eye-level technology can raise the seat while driving. The Edge 4 is built as a highly customized medical mobility platform rather than a simple travel chair. Price: Quantum does not currently publish a single retail MSRP for the Edge 4. Final pricing depends heavily on seating, electronics, and configuration. Magic Mobility XT4. The Magic Mobility XT4 is a serious four-wheel drive electric wheelchair built for extreme outdoor mobility. It uses four 700-watt high-torque motors, 4 pneumatic off-road tires, and patented independent front and rear suspension to maintain traction across mud, sand, snow, grass, and obstacles. The XT4 reaches 6.2 miles per hour, offers up to 5 inches of ground clearance, and supports users up to 401 pounds with a fixed frame or 350 pounds with power lift and tilt. Its 115 ampere-hour batteries, servo-powered steering, and RNet electronics provide impressive control and endurance. Price: US pricing starts around $27,995, while UK pricing starts at about £16,950 ex VAT. STRUTT EV1. The STRUTT EV1 is a futuristic smart electric mobility vehicle that combines advanced driver assistance with all-terrain capability. Its EV-Sense system uses 360-degree sensors, AI-powered features, and intelligent navigation, while the quad-drive system uses high-torque motors, electronic stability control, ABS, and active steering for improved traction. It can handle inclines of up to 13 degrees and reach about 8 miles per hour. The 640 watt-hour LFP battery provides up to 20 miles of range, or about 16.2 miles with EV-Sense enabled. It supports users up to 350 pounds, features IPX5 water resistance, adjustable seating, smartphone control, and can separate into 5 transportable modules. Price: $7,499 US, tax excluded. Mobius Mobility iBOT PMD. The Mobius Mobility iBOT PMD is one of the most advanced electric wheelchairs available, combining 6 driving modes in one machine. It offers standard, four-wheel, balance, stair, remote, and docking modes, allowing users to handle indoor surfaces, rough terrain, curbs, and compatible stairs. Its balance mode can raise the user toward eye level, while terrain following helps keep the seat positioned appropriately on slopes. The iBOT reaches up to 6.8 miles per hour, supports users from 50 to 300 pounds, and has a 25-inch wide power base. The average device weighs about 242.5 pounds without the modular seating system. Price: Mobius Mobility does not publish a fixed retail price. The company provides a customized quote after clinical evaluation and configuration.